Austin with DS Diving. It is May 10th, 2023. I'm at a 25-foot Nautic star at San Pablo Marina. It's a half video. Also in my diver's notes, it said boat possibly going to be taken out of water. I didn't see anything that was sticking out to me. The only thing that I seen that was out of the ordinary was the boat had an extension cord to it that was unplugged. But let's go have a look at it, see if you see anything in the video I might have missed. Oh, both of your ground wires are not connected, so I'll put that in the video as well. Once again, always a pleasure. Thank you for choosing DS Diving.